Hi there, my name is Samantha Huckabee. I'm from Vermillion, South Dakota. I have purchased labs, and here they are. So my favorite product, I have two. I love the lean. It tastes really good. It really does taste like, birthday cake, which I wasn't expecting. I love how well it mixes up, and it's really smooth. I haven't tried it with the water. I'm gonna have to, but it tastes amazing with almond milk. I've also cooked with it. I made pancakes the other day and mixed it with Kodiak cakes, and it was perfect. It was so sweet. It really hit the spot. And I didn't even put any, syrup that had sugar in it. I used sugar-free stuff, and so I wasn't expecting that. So I was very pleased, when I took a bite of that, I was like, whoa, I love it. I also had it in my coffee one day. I put a scoop in, and it tasted really good, so I was excited about that too. I love that there's so many different ways to, use the lean, so that's pretty awesome. My second favorite product is Burn. I love that it suppresses my appetite, and I love all the energy it gives me. I mean, that's without taking fuel. Like, it just gives me so much energy, and I love it because I work overnights, and sometimes I struggle, staying awake and having energy and whatnot, and I take it right before I go to work, and I have all this energy, even if I only slept a couple hours. So I'm loving that. Burn also helped me to kind of get over that little bit of a plateau I had with my weight. I was weighing at like 181, 182 for a good month or so, and started taking it. And I think by the end of the week, I was down to 179, and I'm like, whoa, finally. I work out 4 days a week, and so, I'm doing everything else, but I don't know, somehow the burn just helped, and I loved it. So, I would definitely recommend all of the products. They all work really well. I have definitely recommended the lean to a couple friends of mine. I had a girl I work with who was like, oh, I need to, start eating healthy again and everything, and I told her about the lean and gave her some to try, and she goes, oh my God, that's the best, protein shake I've ever had. And so I definitely recommend the lean, and of course every other product. They're all amazing. I actually got my best friend to purchase the labs, and she's been using it and absolutely loves it. So it's just amazing stuff, and I'm so glad that this is available to us. I'm definitely not buying anything else but labs.